What's up guys, my name is Takira and today we are going to be doing a twist out. I just washed my hair with, I believe the Shea Moisture Honey Manuka shampoo, and then I conditioned it from the same line, and my hair is so soft and moisturized, like it is ridiculous. I am in love. That was my first time using it, and why didn't anybody tell me before now? Why didn't nobody tell me before now? Like, I don't understand. Why don't nobody tell me anything, you know? I thought we were in this together, you know? But anyway, I'm gonna get this twist out started. I'm gonna start in the back, of course. I'm gonna start in the back. I'm just gonna go ahead and part it. So to do my twist out, I'm going to use a lot of products. My hair has been extreme. Get it together. Okay, my hair has been so dry this winter, so I've been using a lot of moisturizing products. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Garnier Fructis Curl Nourish Buttercream Leave-In with coconut, jojoba, and macadamia oils. I have this in another video if you've seen it. And I'm also going to use the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whipped Twisting Cream. This is so moisturizing and it leaves your hair so soft. I love it so much. And then I'm going to use Wetline. Y'all, this is my third time using this little bitty thing and I still have so much left. So yeah, I'm not really worried about the size of these because I'm just not. So I'm just gonna take out however much I feel like is enough. And then I'm going to just put a little bit of each product on each section. And then I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of the twisting cream. So we can get the maximum hydration. And then I'll go in with my gel. Don't really need that much gel. Really, what I like to do is brush through it right before I twist it. Make sure I get all the kinks out. Smooth it some more and then twist it. I start off tight at the top and then looser towards the bottom. I'm just gonna do a little twirl. And that'll curl up in a little bit. So I'll do the next section the same way. Now I'm going to do the rest of my hair the same way. So it is 2 days later and I'm getting ready to take my twist down. Excuse the noise in the background. Like I say in almost every video, I have puppies and If you have puppies, there's never any quiet time, and the TV is on. So, sorry about that. I'm going to just go ahead and put some grapeseed oil on my hands. I'm going to smooth some of it into my twist, and then just start unraveling. So normally I just twist them in the opposite direction all the way down because my ends normally get tangled. Well, not really tangled, but if I just like, they get frizzy if I do it any other way. So this is how that one's looking. So yeah, and then I'm gonna separate them however much I think they should be separated. Not too much because I want to still keep the definition, but enough to where I can get some type of volume out of them. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that all over. Taking out all of my twists. This is what I'm looking like. I didn't pick it or anything, and I'm trying to make sure I get all the twists out so I don't have any left over. But so far, so good. Twist outs have become my new faves, y'all. Like, at first, I couldn't get a good twist out to save my life, but they're at the top for me with wash and goes as my new favorite hairstyles, and I have been absolutely loving them. Yeah. So yes, I'm gonna pick it. I actually don't have a pick. Do I? One sec. I do not have a pick. And I don't know what I did with my wide tooth comb, so I'm just gonna use this like feathering comb, and I'm just gonna try to pick it a little bit. Just a smidget. Just to get a little more fluff out of it. Why, but like when I do twist outs, my hair don't pick out as or get as big as I want it to either. I don't know. Maybe next time I'll do it on stretched hair, because I don't think I've done it on stretched hair before either. This is my I was about to say wash and go. This is my twist out using the Creme of Nature twist butter and Wetline, the blue Wetline string. And that is it. yeah, and it's still, oh, that's what I forgot to mention. It is so soft, like so very soft. I used the wrong gel because now my hair is just like not even laying down. I'll fix that. It really don't matter to me, it really, but oh, it's so soft. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.